Well guys, so the Kia is back in the garage. It can only mean one thing: it failed its annual road test inspection. So what did it fail on? Well, its arch nemesis, rust. So it rusted on the inner sills, not the chassis legs, but the inner sills that are beside the chassis legs. So that's what it rusted on. So in this video, we're going to fix that. And here's a view of the rust that the Kia failed on. So the first job before you start any welding job is to make sure you take off the earth lead off the battery, or the positive, it doesn't really matter. But once the battery is disconnected from the vehicle, that's the first job before you start any welding job. Okay, decide to pull the trigger on it. So that's how much rust is in there. And just after chopping it out, you can see that's the drain hole. Right above the drain hole is the rust. Right above the drain hole is the rust. Right above the drain hole is the rust. So that's interesting. Another rust hole just there. There's a seam line that has a gap in it, so obviously the water can get in and out. That's why the rust hole is there. Also, what caused the rust to be both here and here is if you look in there, there's a big lump of foam, and that's like a big sponge of foam just sitting here. So obviously if the water goes in, it can't go that way, so it has to go that way. That's why I think it rusted here and so badly down there as well. Okay, after some cutting, that's how it looks. Okay, and that's now the panel all welded up. So just spot weld it every so often and then just keep filling in the spot welds. It's not very interesting. And it's all nice and cold now again. So that's one little hole there, big panel there, and now slowly moving on to this hole here and this big long hole here. But that's how it looks. Very happy with that. So yeah, it's gonna be painted up and you won't even notice that it's there. I have to leave some of the spot welds around because for the retest they have to see that it's actually done and not just filled in with newspaper. So now we've cut out our piece of metal. I've just started bending the top bit. Now we're bending the second bit. So I just marked a line and then you just put my hand here and just bending the metal in that shape, but keeping it nice and tight against here, and it gives you a good crisp line. So yep, make up the panel and then we're gonna ready for welding. I don't know why everybody's so afraid of metal fabrication. It's easy. Just go from this and then you click your fingers. Ah, that's brilliant. That's way easier than welding it. Like magic. Okay, that's it now tacked up. Now just fill in between the tacks and have it finally all welded up. I thought it was finally finished and there's another rust hole here. And finally, that's now the last hole fixed. Righto guys, so that's now everything on the Kia finally fixed. So everything is in primer and I will be coming back afterwards with a little bit of seam sealer just around all the seams and then hit everything with nice black hammerite paint. But for the retest, it has to be fairly obvious. I have to leave it that the welds are exposed and you can put a bit of primer on it. That's all you're allowed to do. So just for the retest, that's the way I'm going to leave it. Then afterwards, I'll fix it up. But that's as far as the videos go. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe over there. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.